everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing really well today. Today I have a quick project. Sometimes it's good to just get in there and do some drawing. I've got some watercolor paper from not Canva, Canson. Wow, all the C's. And I'm just taking a waterproof ink pen and going around and drawing a flower. I started with the center and then added leaves and layers, and then just little like wrinkly bits where they would be folding, and then drawing some leaves. And then I'm just going to start layering some ink. So there I've got some Winsor & Newton Cotman colors and a travel palette, and I'm just laying down my first foundation with watercolor. I often do that, no matter if I stay with watercolor or go to acrylics or whatever, but there's something about that underpainting of watercolor that's really helpful. Just drawing that and then going again with some more paint there and giving that just a bolder look. Whenever watercolors dry, they do tend to get lighter. So then I'm going in again, layering with the leaves. And I'm going to do a little wet on wet here with some Jane Davenport inks, and it kind of gives that blossoming look in there. And so it's that wet on wet technique. And then as that's an Inktense pencil there. I was like, what is that? So I was just using a wet water brush with my Inktense pencil, and that's a great way to get pigment off. I've got some acrylic ink now going in from that little bottle there to the left, that beautiful green. And now that's all dried with my heat tool, and my trusty Posca pens are going in to layer on top. If you do get a moment, if you would hit that like button and subscribe and share this with your friends, that would be great. And a big support to artists. I know it might not seem like much, but we really do get helped by interaction. So I really appreciate that. Okay, going in with my black Posca pen to finish it off and give a little bolder look, since I've got some bolder blues. And yeah, I hope you give something a try there. Thanks so much for joining me, guys, and I hope you have a great day.